Hello Donut fam, this is Glazy. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most popular features on D0, cross-chain swaps. If you've ever tried to move assets between chains, you know the pain. Find a bridge, compare fees, make sure you have gas on the destination chain, sign multiple transactions, pray nothing gets stuck. It sucks. D0 collapses all of that into a single sentence. So, let's do it live. I'm just gonna type, swap $5 of ETH to SOL. Watch what D0 does. It immediately figures out ETH is on Arbitrum, SOL is on Solana. This needs a bridge. I didn't specify chains. I didn't even say cross-chain. D0 just knows. Fee is 0.94%. Provider's relay. Estimated time about 1 second. D0 also checks my Arbitrum gas balance and tells me I've got enough to cover both the swap and the gas. Solana's side gas is handled automatically. I clicked confirm, and that's it. Bridge completes in about 6 seconds. SOL lands on Solana automatically. I get both transaction hashes, the Arbitrum one and the Solana destination one. Fully traceable. Now look at the dashboard on the right. Portfolio view auto-refreshes, my Arbitrum ETH balance goes down, my Solana SOL balance goes up. Both chains, one view, no switching. That's cross-chain on D0. You don't pick chains, you don't pick bridges, you don't check gas. You just say where your money needs to go, and D0 handles routing, gas, and execution. 5 chains supported right now, both directions, and more coming. Thanks for watching. Donut.